Hello everyone, friends, on Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to post on Facebook Marketplace. Open any browser and go to Facebook. Type Facebook here. Alright, then we'll need to go into Marketplace. Okay, then we just click to add a new listing and select Item for Sale here. It's loading. Alright, here we add a photo of what we're putting up for sale. Next, we write the title, price, and category here. Then, for the condition, choose new, like new, good, or normal used, then the brand, description, and quantity. That is, whether it's a single item or if you have a quantity available. Tags, your location, and then click Next. Okay, then you list it for sale. Publish it. That's all for now. Semble Valor. Goodbye, everyone.